Leek Soup with potato thickener. A bit of onion and celery, the mildest chicken stock you have, or diluted with some water. Heavy cream. If you're using half and half or heavy whipping cream, you may need to add another tablespoon or so of butter. Tablespoon of olive oil. Do not throw away the green of the leek or if you have any celery hearts. We will add those to our stock. Clean all vegetables. With leeks, remove the outside layer, then slice out the color sections to make it more manageable. Then slice in half for ease of access between the layers. I just rinse the layers. Some also let it soak in water baths for a few minutes. Others rinse and blanch in boiling water. After washing up, let's take a pot of our stock and bring it to a simmer with the green portion of the leeks and the heart of celery. Chop our leeks and potatoes. The potatoes chopped should be about double the size of the leek chop. We need the starch, so maybe not worry about placing the potatoes in water as you cut. Because vegetables vary, I measure like Shakespeare in Horatios. By eyeball, potato is half the amount of the leeks, onion is half the amount of the potato, and celery is a half or less to the onion. Have not locked down my happy celery amount yet. Enough butter to coat everything. Start with a few tablespoons. Also add another tablespoon of oil. Make sure we don't burn the butter. I'm using salted butter, so I will not add any salt at this point. Now we stir in all of our vegetables at once over medium heat. Stir occasionally until leeks have softened and have started to turn somewhat translucent. Deglaze with a few shots of white wine. Take our stock liquid and add it to the leek mix. Only add enough liquid to comfortably submerge everything. If you have stock left over, that's great. If you need more liquid, add a little more water. Boil until potato is fork tender. Start checking in about the 12-minute mark. If desired, you may want to add or adjust herbs and spices at this point. But please remember, leeks are a delicate flavor, so be careful not to overpower it. Otherwise, you could have just used a cheaper ingredient, like maybe just plain onion, and spend the savings on your favorite YouTuber. Like and subscribe. Add our cream and butter if you have low fat content. I'm looking for a milky look, but not white. So 2/3 of a cup and 1 tablespoon of butter. Let that cook for a few minutes. Then we blitz, emulsify, blend, mix. Good cold, hot, or room temperature.